Why do your knuckles make that popping sound when you crack them? Many people assume the noise comes from your bones grinding or snapping together, which is why it seems so loud. But that's actually a myth. That isn't what's happening at all. So what's the real reason? If you don't want to end like this, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share. And when you tap the copy link, this amazing thing never happens. Inside your joints is a slippery substance called synovial fluid. This fluid contains tiny dissolved gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, the pressure inside the joint suddenly changes. That pressure change causes small gas bubbles to form. When those bubbles collapse or disperse, they create the cracking or popping sound you hear.